The CarlinKit UHD is a versatile device designed to enhance in-car entertainment and connectivity. Featuring a sleek design, it supports high-definition video output through HDMI, allowing users to connect to external displays. The split-screen functionality enables simultaneous use of the primary car screen and a secondary display without interference, offering flexibility for passengers and drivers alike. Whether navigating or streaming content, the dual-screen setup ensures a seamless experience. This all-in-one adapter supports both original CarPlay and Android Auto, eliminating compatibility concerns. It effortlessly switches between the two modes, accommodating vehicles with either system. Its broad adaptability reduces limitations, making it suitable for most modern cars. Users can enjoy wireless connectivity without relying on specific manufacturer restrictions, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Powered by Android 13, the UHD UHD offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The intuitive interface lets users toggle between systems via the AutoKit icon. Regular photo updates keep the device optimized, while compatibility with iOS and Android devices ensures widespread usability. This future-proof design guarantees access to the latest features and security enhancements over time. Setting up the UHD UHD is straightforward, thanks to its plug-and-play functionality. After the initial pairing, the device automatically reconnects to the car's system, minimizing setup time for subsequent trips. Built-in GPS integrates multiple positioning systems: GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, and base station, ensuring accurate navigation even in vehicles without native GPS. This feature is ideal for drivers relying on apps like Google Maps or Waze. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas further strengthens signal reliability.